In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger not working, Messenger not opening problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check that your Messenger is up to date or not. For checking this, go to Play Store, search for Messenger. Now click on Messenger. Now up to date your Messenger from here. If available in update version, then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Messenger app. Click on Messenger. Click on Force Store. Click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache. Then clear storage. Then delete. Now open your Messenger app. Now log into your account. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger not working, Messenger not opening problem.